Hi, I'm Bob Hunter from Wood Magazine. If you don't have an oscillating spindle sander in your shop, you can convert your drill press to one pretty quickly. You can buy a set of aftermarket sanding drums that'll do the same job. You can get it different sizes. This one has it, for instance, I've already chucked up a 2-inch sleeve on this one. They come in different sizes. Here's a 1-inch. They also come with reducer rings to fit around there so you can kind of get better dust collection and keep yourself safe. But one of the problems with a drill press is that in order to get your workpiece support around it, you have to build it up with an auxiliary table, and you don't get very good dust collection. So with the Shop Fox W1688, this model has a built-in oscillating feature so that it works just like an oscillating spindle sander. So let me show you how to convert that. We've already got the spinning sandal chucked into the chuck. So the next thing you need to do is to go up here, you set your spindle speed, whatever speed you're going to choose. Between 800 and 1200 is a pretty good target range on this machine. The setup I've got right now is about 980 RPMs. That's pretty good for most hardwoods and softwoods. This then comes with an extra belt that normally just sits back here clipped onto the two little metal clips. You put this onto the spindle pulley and then wrap it around this oscillator pulley. As simple as that, just a real quick fix. That'll make the oscillation happen, but I can't show you in live mode because with this open because it has a micro switch, so it has to be closed to work. So next thing then we need to do is we have to move the depth stop up so that this doesn't bottom out on there. So just these two jam nuts, just move them up out of the way so they're clear. It's only going to move up and down about 3/4 of an inch, but that's just get those out of the way. And also because it's going to be moving up and down, the handles on the quill feet here are going to be in the way. So let's just take a couple of those out so that they don't bump anything and get in your way. Just set those off to the side. Okay, now this table, because to avoid having to build up an auxiliary table, it has a cutout already in it for the spindle sleeve. So loosen the table, crank it up, go right up around the sleeve, and just kind of center it wherever you want. Remember, you got about 3/4 of an inch of travel, so if you wanted to go clear up here and get this top part of the sleeve, you could. So let's call that pretty good there. Lock the table in place. Now to bring in dust collection, let's get our 2.5-inch shop vacuum hose. Hooks right on here. The port reaches underneath the table and captures the dust right off of the sleeve. So you set that up, turn your vacuum on, turn your drill press on, and you're good to go. Put your board down and start sanding curved edges. Then when you're all done, to back it up, you just reverse everything, take the oscillator pulley or the belt off the pulley, and go back to whatever spindle speed you need for drilling.